In this tutorial, you will learn how to separate pages from PDF file. For example, I want to separate page 1 from this file. Later on, I will also explain how you can extract a range of pages. For example, if you want to separate pages 1 to 4 and 6 to 7, then I will also explain that one. So firstly, I will explain how you can separate only page 1 from this file. For that purpose, go to Google Chrome and open this site, which is ilovepdf.com. I will provide the link in description, so you can use that link to open this page. When you open this site, you will find the option of select PDF file. Click on it. When you click on it, you will find this option and select the file which you want to use. And this is the file. So go to open, and file is uploaded here. Now go to this range option and select range, the pages which you want to separate. I want to separate only page 1, so from page 1 to page 1. If you want to separate 4 pages, you can write 1 to page 4. When you select range, click on split PDF, and then it is start separating the pages. It will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and this page will be separated. So you can see here that it is almost completed now. Now the uploading file 1 of 1 upload completed. Now it is downloading that file. Now you can see here that this file is downloaded now, and if I go to that folder and open this one, you can observe that it contains only one page. So page 1 is separated from this file. You can see here it contains 10 pages. Now I will teach you how you can separate a range of pages. For that purpose, go to again this site and go to this select PDF file, and select that file which you want to use for separation. Now for that purpose, I want to separate page 1 to page 3, and click on add ranges. If you want to separate more pages, I want to separate page number 5 only. You can also click on add ranges if you want to add more ranges. You can see here currently page 1 to 3 and 5. I have selected this one. So here is the option of merge all ranges in one PDF file. You have two options. Either you want to make a file of these ranges, then click on this option. If you don't click on this option, you will find two files. One is page 1 to 3 and other is only page 5. So I don't want to merge these ranges, so I will not check this option and go to split PDF. Now it will start working, and you will find the result in 1 to 2 minutes. Now our download is completed. Here is I love PDF split file. This file is downloaded now. If I open it, then you can see here there are two files. One is from page 1 to 3 and the other one is page 5. So if I check merge option, then this will be combined into one file. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Goodbye.